After obtaining the diploma of Industry Durable Major, you have multiple directions to go and pursue your career. The objective of Industry Durable Major is to understand and transform industry of the future, which we say Industry 4.0 and 5.0 with innovative technologies. To acquire this objective, we have focused on three main axis. The first axis is the principle and base of the industry. In this axis, you will going to learn more about all the basics of the industry and the principle of the industry of the future. You will be learning, and we are going to teach some courses like introduction of the industry 4.0 and 5.0 and basics of enterprise modeling and basics of production systems engineering, data analytics in enterprise, and you have a lot of courses on economy and introduction to planetary challenges. So these type of courses that you're going to learn in this first grand axis, which is principle and base of the industry. The second axis, after studying the principle and the base, the second axis that object is very interesting, which is we named as fabrication and the management, which we say how to manage an industry. So globally, how you will be going to manage the industry. So it is an interesting axis. In this axis, you will have a lot of interesting courses. Some I can say the courses called supply chain management and project management. You have a lot of courses on enterprise systems information, which we say enterprise resource planning, ERP, PLM, and lean management, lean techniques. So these type of courses that you are going to target, it gives you the more knowledge how you can manage the industry taking into account the technical as well as the human and organizational aspect. And the third, which is we come to the third aspect, which the axis which is we named as sustainability impacts of the industry. From this axis, you will going to learn more about how the industry of the future is going to impact in the sustainability and also the sustainability issues. So you will have a lot of interesting courses that we have been opening in this axis. Some I can say which some kind of a courses that I would like to say here is like life cycle assessment, circular economy, and also the sustainability strategic of the industry and the planetary challenges of the industry of the future, and these type of courses that you are going to learn in this third axis, which we say sustainability impacts of the industry. More than that, not only on this three axis, more than that, we are planning to integrate more courses because we would like to give more knowledge about the factory of the future. Some courses that we are going to integrate in this major, which we named as artificial intelligence, virtual reality of the industry, and cyber physical production system, and such type of advanced courses that we are planning to integrate in this major. So it gives the students to acquire maximum knowledge of the current industry transformation, which is 4.0 and 5.0. After obtaining the diploma of Industry Durable Major, you have multiple directions to go and pursue your career. This is the specialty of this major. First direction, you can work in a different enterprise, irrespective of what the background it was. You can work in any number of enterprise. You have a large enterprise which is available in France and also in international level. The other direction also that you can work in a number of sectors with the enterprise. You can be able to work in a number of sectors, which is named, for example, automobile, aeronautical, energy, and informatic, and naval. So these different type of sectors that you can able to work after your studies. Other path you can able to go for, you can able to work if the students need to pursue their career as a researcher. You can able to continue your career as a researcher in the international and national scientific laboratory to do a PhD and pursue their career. And some kind of a job titles in the market for the industry durable, which we say For example, factory of the future engineers and manager of the industry, production engineers, and project manager, and lean and continuous improvement engineer, and research and development engineer, and system architect, and enterprise architect, and transformation of future architect. So these type of the job titles, the job that you can able to work after your studies with the multiple enterprise in the industry. Any students can choose this major irrespective of their background of the education, because this major is more about on the general aspect of the industry. We expect some kind of qualities from the students. The students must be interested and curious to know about the industry of the future and the sustainability issues, and plus to know how to use the business and IT tools, because the students will be using lot of industrial software for each modules that they are going to learn, and they have to be rigor, and they can able to work with the team, because a lot of modules we have planned to work in the team, work as a team to achieve the objective of each module, and they can able to analyze and synthesize all the information of the industry. So these are the different type of qualities that we are been expecting from the students as a profile. In conclusion, I can say if you are interested and curious to solve the problems of the industry of the future, this major is perfect for you and for your future prospect of your career.